Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the panel dimmer. It's really just a big variable resistor called a rheostat. And what it does, it takes the 12 volts or whatever your 13.8 volt bus voltage is, and by applying resistance, it brings that voltage down, which is how you're able to dim the lights. Now that works with incandescent, not so well with LEDs, as you've probably all seen the little rotating flicker when you've first gone to LEDs. They really require pulse width modulation. But let's get back to the panel dimmer and we'll meet you on the other side. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now the panel dimmers that we have are a MEMCOR R50-30. Now the R50 is the series, and what that stands for is, as you look at the pictures, you'll see that there's wire wrapped round and round and round and round a circular torus ceramic core. Now those windings of wire around there, if you stretch them out, they're almost 50 feet long. So what you're doing is you're applying resistance via a wiper right there as where it contacts. Now, where they get dirty is the wiper gets a little bit of trash. The wire needs to be cleaned in the back, but it's a good long time lasting resistor. There's not much to of them. Now, as you can see right there, because it's a -30, it's 30 ohms and it's also 30 watts, so you can put quite a bit of power through this, a couple of amps, and they're rated for like 1.29 to 1.3. So you can find them on eBay and on the Cessna groups if you need to replace one, but most people have gone to the new modern resistors and they work via pulse width modulation, which also works with LEDs, so that when you change overall your panel lights, when you're setting your voltage to have the brightness of the lights, you won't have any little micro wicker that people always see in their LEDs when they first convert them. But anyway, it's just a big wound resistor called a rheostat. Again, it's an R50 series made by MEMCOR, and they are still available. They sell for about $50 new, figure about half that price on the used market. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all that about the resistor in your panel useful and informative. We have them from the Yankee all the way up to the Tiger. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day flying your Grumman. Happy holidays.